Hello, you are welcome and thank you for coming. If you're new here, you are welcome. Hello, you are welcome and thank you for coming. If you're new here, you're welcome. Hello, you're welcome. You need to watch this video to the end. This is the perfect steps and guide you ever need in your home to hang up your TV. And on this video, I'm gonna be showing you on the script I use on mounting my TV. So please watch this video right to the end. We're gonna be using only two nails and we're gonna nail it straight into the wall. This about 3 to 4 inches nail that we are using right on those video. Yeah, you can also use that. Okay, 3 to 4 inches nail, and you're gonna be nailing it straight onto the wall. And this the second nail that I'm gonna be using. So I just measured it on my TV, and then I'm measuring it on the wall straight, and is a wide hand of my finger, one step. So I took the measurements on the back of my TV, and then I nailed it up straight into the wall. So when you're learning it, make sure that it's very strong. And why strong? So your TV won't pull off. As mine is straight into the wall, it's very strong and comfortable. So there's a trip I use, simple trip that you're gonna be using without wasting any money. So this have a lot of service for you if you're gonna try this right now. So here we go, and after netting it up, I'm checking it whether it's as strong as I want it to be. And if it's straight, yeah, it's straight. So I roll up the line, it's straight. So and put it up, and then and the second step I'm to take now is to screw a hanger on the back of my TV. And after I screwed it up, so the smart TV, and I screwed up the hanger, and then I'm leaving a white space which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's the 11 side, and this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's also in 11. So I screwed it up very strong on those hanger is quite strong. And then here we go. So these holes, the first hole we'll be using in holding up this stand here right here. So the holes we go, the first hole we go on side the nail, and the second hole we also go right and down nail. So I'm gonna be bringing up my TV right now, and I'm gonna be hanging it right on the hole of those nails from the first one. So I check it up, and I lifted it up, and I put it carefully on the wall. Here we go. Yeah, the stand, it works. Yeah, so the strip is what you need to have service if you don't want to waste much money. So this the trip I'm showing you right here, this is perfectly okay. This is all you need. So please put down your comments below about this video. I need to know about your thoughts. Please share to friends, share to your family, and have a nice week. This is a nice week for you. And those to go, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming here. I love you guys. So go to the description to watch more video. I will see you guys next Friday. Okay, I make new video every Friday. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Put down your comments. Thank you. See you next Friday. Bye.